going to show you how you make mango pineapple slushy smoothie. Mango. I'm going to taste it. Wow, it tastes good. It tastes good, it smells good.
Do I smell something delicious?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, this is Smoothie Expert. I'm going to show you how you make mango pineapple slushy smoothie, and this is what you need. Dates, and it makes it more sweeter. Also ham seeds, it makes it more healthier so you can drink it more. And also ice. Ice is the best. And also it makes it more colder so you can get a head freeze. And also these pineapple, it also makes more freshening. Also mango, also orange juice. It makes it more juicery. I'm going to make it. Let's make it up. I'm going to leave it right here. Ice. Pineapple. Mango. Orange juice. I'm putting it later. And I'm going to blend it. Oh yes. Also, I'm going to put it in here. Also, I'm going to let you see it. Look from there. I'm going to taste it. Wow, it tastes good. Hey Ethan! It tastes good, it smells good.
Do I smell something delicious?
Yes.
Oh my god. You made this right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the ingredients first before I drink it?
It's like ham seeds and also mango slushy and also apple, orange juice and also ice and also dates.
Man, that looks really good, so I'm going to taste it. So it's like a slushy.
Yeah, it's like a slushy but it moves more slower.
It's like fresh and the texture is like a good feeling and it tastes amazing.
And by the way, it just moves more slower than I seed. Also, you can bring this to the pool or the parties.
Yeah, or like when you have friends over, you could like deliver and it's easy to make and healthy. And subscribe, hit the bell, you'll get notified all the videos we do.
Bye! See you tomorrow. I love
tomorrow.
you.
Oh yeah, next week we're making another video.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you, fans.
Thank you.
Let's go.
And this is what you need. Dates, ham seeds, also ice, and also pineapple, also mango, also orange juice.